Let's go get him again.
It feels like forever since I've spoken about the brand of ELDO. I haven't bought anything from them in years. They're in that weird spot of certain brands are in those weird spots as far as pricing, quality, things like that. Like Atelier Cologne, L'Artisan Parfumeur, Comme des Garçons. These are brands that are kind of mid-tier, lower-tier niche, designer-ish. Their pricings kind of intermingle with the designers. Some of them are well worth the price, others are not. Some you're just like, wow, they should be charging a lot more. Well, this one right here, I Am Trash, is one of their latest releases. Everybody on YouTube spoke about this fragrance once it got released, except for this guy. So let's get into it. Fragrance family, welcome to the Road Zoe channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we're not unboxing this release, but we are giving a first impression on paper. And this is called ELDO's I Am Trash. Now, ELDO obviously meaning Etat Libre d'Orange. Now, I Am Trash, 2018 release. Got a lot of fanfare on YouTube upon release. Why? Well, a lot of people got free bottles. Can you hear me? Yeah, free bottles. I'm being a jerk today. Hey, it goes to show you, here's a pro tip. Just because a fragrance has over a dozen fragrance reviews on YouTube does not mean it's a good release. We can have tons of great releases that still haven't gotten any spotlight just because not a lot of people are buying them. There's some brands that are just not giving out bottles, YouTubers aren't purchasing them, etc., etc. Now, getting back to I Am Trash. Is this thing trash or not? We'll see. Mine's not a free bottle. Well, not from the brand. This was my splitter's bottle. Now, my splitter actually graciously shared with me his last few mils of his bottle. You could probably see how much there is in here. Not much. But now I can discover this fragrance. And it's been a while since this brand has like a little, like a little target. And I'm missing the target. I've been kind of ignoring this brand. A lot of people actually are. This is a brand that's kind of under the radar. ELDO always hitting me with that, of course, that marketing with a name like I Am Trash. You start thinking, and I know they did a huge marketing push on how they utilize, some ingredients in this that are going to go in the trash heap. So really, I don't know what I'm getting myself into because this brand is known for off the cuff of as far as their fragrances. Sécrétion Magnifique is a great example of that. They're kind of off the beaten path. They're really just sometimes a little bizarre. I kind of like that. But again, some other releases are actually very well done. And I'm excited to try out this release, as I know it had a good shot in the arm on YouTube when released. And a lot of positive reviews, and I'm going to take those with a grain of salt. The nose behind this is Miss Prada herself, Daniela Andrier. I know the nose. Very good nose with florals, Andrier is. So this might be good. We're going to see now. Now here we go. I got my strip. I got my fragrance. Let's sniff this one out. And I think I have actually just enough juice to really do a pop the cherry on this one. And even a fragrance review. There's enough juice in here for that. So let's smell this one. Strawberries. That's what I'm smelling off the strip here already. Oh, damn. Damn, it's a good strawberry note. Wow, that's fruity, it's sweet, and it is red. It's a red strawberry. Nice green apple note pairing with that. Okay, I didn't think this was going to come off fruity. I really thought it was going to be more of maybe a floral fragrance. No. Wow. The strawberry on here, on point. Maybe one of the best that I've smelt in a long, long time. Very much on point. Andrier did her thing on this one. Wow. There's a green apple. A little bit of a sourness from that green apple. Very well done. Very fruity up top. Very surprising. A little bit of woods here. Just a little bit faint woods. What I'm getting is fruity. Strawberry is your main player here with some green apple. A little bit of woods backing it. But other than that, yeah, that's it. Very straightforward. I Am Trash. Smells like a strawberry. The strawberries on point on this one. I gotta admit, very well done. Good green apple. It's got a really good fruity notes. Both of them very well done. A little bit of faint woods in the background. That's about it. I'm not getting much more out of I Am Trash. The true test now is going to be obviously on skin for my Pop the Cherry that I'm going to do later on this one. I'm going to wear it 2-3 times, then shoot a video and let you guys know what I get on skin. But this opening, well done. If you like strawberry, this may be one of those that you should check out. It feels like it's going to be more of a fruity set, but I want to see what the backbone is going to be on this release. And but I'll be honest right now, that strawberry note, that's a 10. I'm telling you right now, that is a very good note. Very authentic, well done, well balanced. It works very well with that green apple note. Very interesting, fruity opening. I really wasn't expecting that with a name like I Am Trash. It ain't trash right now. We'll see if this dry down's trash. We'll see, but very well blended, very simplistic though. The only thing I really got was strawberry apple and a little bit of faint woods. That's it. So my nose hopefully will get more once it gets on my skin. But I Am Trash from ELDO. It's been a while since this brand has come on my channel. It's nice to see. I actually should go back and go take a look at what they've been releasing lately because I haven't been really on the pulse of ELDO, to be quite honest. But now that you know my take on this one, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Please let us know what you think about I Am Trash. Hey, send me some recommendations of recent releases from this brand. Should I go back into ELDO? I own 2 or 3. I don't own too many of them. The only one on top of my head that I can think of that I know that I like is Fat Electrician. Their vetiver-based one. I really like that one. But as always, a great or poor fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.